Okay, welcome. We are going to start the installation of Windows Server 2008. I already have some software loaded here, but we are going to go over the full process and show you how this is done. So starting by installing Oracle VM VirtualBox. I've already done this, so we are skipping this step and going straight to installing a new operating system, which will be Windows Server 2008. Clicking on the new box, we will now name what we are going to use. So for this, we will use Server 2008. Version 2008. It is already Microsoft Windows, so we continue at next. We use the factory size of memory allocation and we click next. At this step, create a new virtual hard drive. You click yes, watch create. Continue with factory settings, create a VirtualBox image disk. Next. We'll choose dynamically allocated hard drive space because it starts small and grows instead of fixed size, which will be hard to change if this program should grow. So we click next. So it's 2008. Continue factory settings for size and we create. So here we have Server 2008. Before we can install, we must change some of the settings to make sure it runs properly. So you go to the settings button. Under network, you ensure that it's under NAT. Going into advanced and change the setting to desktop. This will allow connectivity easier when we try to do this with more than one operating system. Now to storage, you must put in a controller. So you can remove this empty one and add a new controller. Choose disk. And we choose Windows Server 2008. It's already here. Have a choice between primary and secondary master. We will choose secondary for this purpose. Then click OK. And simply double click on the server, which will start it. You get a prompt for the keyboard. Let's click OK. And it starts running. You get a few more prompts. As this continues to load, resume while the Windows is loading. We'll just wait for settings to adjust. Windows Server 2008. We speak English, so we'll leave that English and continue. And hit the install button. Okay, and we're back. Operating systems, and we have a choice. We're going to choose the standard version of Server 2008 because we will not be going as much in depth as the enterprise to database segment. So we're going to choose standard section and we'll continue with next. All the terms and conditions must be accepted for the program to be installed. So we click accept and next. Upgrade is only if you already have it on your machine, but we are choosing custom because this is the first time installing it. Next, it has a choice where you have allocated space. Use the factory settings and we continue with next. But we'll start to copy files, then expand, install the features, install new updates, and then complete the installation. We see it's expanding. Okay, it's almost done expanding. I'm going to start installing features. And if you read it up, this is all information you need right now. Your computer will start several times during the installation, so don't fret when you see this happen. And installing updates. Installing updates have completed. And it's going to restart, so we'll wait a little second and we'll be back. Alright, Windows is loading. Let's click OK on the prompts. Alright, that's it. We're loading. And almost done with the completion of installation. Installation has stopped and it should be starting once again. Just continue closing all prompts. Hopefully this might be the last restart and you can actually start using the program. Alright, this prompt will log into the locker to change password. And you click OK. Enter in a password. Using P @SS W0RD. We enter P @SS W0RD and enter. Password has been changed, okay, and the system is preparing to start for the first time. And there we have it. Windows Server 2008 running on Oracle VM VirtualBox. And we reach your initial configuration task, and this is where we'll stop this video and return it another. Bye for now.